with slime.
So yeah, she gave me that slime because she owes me. And this is her friend Favor. And then this is Chelsea.
Yeah.
This is I'm Mariana. That's Jasmine. Shakina. She's Shakina. Shakina. That was Shakina, by the way. So we're just playing with slime. It's almost the last day of school. Today we're gonna have a reward.
So, and this slime is made out of glue, detergent, salt, water, food coloring, and shaving cream. And sparkles. Yeah.
Sparkles.
Okay. As you can see, this slime is really big. Yeah. Really big slime.
Yeah, this is
Today's our award ceremony. We are going to pass fourth grade. So one question for you, Mariana. How far can that slime stretch?
Okay, let me see. Pass. Can I use somebody? You're gonna help me. Grab that side. We're gonna pull it.
Favor, you're gonna hold the bottom, okay?
Wow.
So when it falls, you're gonna catch it, okay?
With both of your hands.
Guys, for real, stop. Grab it.
Favor is just something your butt.
You're lucky I was there to save you. I saved y'all.
Sorry guys,
I saved y'all.
that was a big misunderstanding.
I saved them.
It got on my special bracelet.
So apparently, this slime can stretch really far. By the way, this is my YouTube channel. Please like down below and subscribe. So yeah, if you want to get a shout out, in next week's video, please subscribe.